There's a smoke out into this hole in the smoke tentacle. All this and the boiling water comes out like this, and then the two gates go and they crush the toys.
The two gates crush the toys?
Yeah.
How do they do that?
They do it like this. Boom, boom, boom. Right here.
And then what happens?
What happens is they get smushed.
Who gets smushed?
The dog gets smushed.
A dog?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, the dog gets smushed in this game. And his ears begin to stick out and you hold on to this handle. It'll hold on to this handle.
And then what do we do?
Do it like this.
Oh, like that.
Yeah. We have to do it like this.
Am I doing it wrong?
No. You have to let the toys go to mine and go to yours, and then go to mine, and then the toys are fall into big sticks, and then fall into mine,